Give some recent examples of what I would categorize as like tweaking the machine, specifically with Shepherd. It's the most fresh for me. So when we launched, like I mentioned, the pricing models, you don't really pay until the end. So easy sell, but also means you can get a ton of people who are like, yep, sounds great, sign me up, start doing a ton of work, and then they're like end up being tire kickers. So I had a lot of that initially, and the fix for that was charging a $500 project deposit. It's still fully refundable. It's just that skin in the game, get out your credit card, you're serious. Still the same sales pitch applies, just like there's a little bit of friction where it's like, hey, weed it out, the tire kickers. That solved a lot of time consuming, zero profit type customers or potential customers. And then it was like things around billing as well. Again, like, okay, we found someone great. They want to hire them. Basically, the invoice is due upon like the hiring. It's like, we want to commit to this person, whether they're starting next week, like invoices due. It's like every agency I'm sure runs into this. This is my first agency type that I've run into, and I've talked to others and like, oh yeah, billing is like the worst. You have someone full time basically chasing people. And I realized, well, with that project deposit, we can automate it all via the contract signing. Well, now like a SaaS product that has a free trial that requires a credit card, we have the credit card on file and we just built it into the project contract that we're going to charge your card the amount. I mean, we'll send an email notifying it, but that change again was like a game changer for internal efficiency. So it's like little things like that where it's like you may have this thing you're running and you're like, oh, this part of the business is so annoying. Like I hate it. You can problem solve. And a lot of times you can find solutions that remove the issue or make it faster, or whatever. Like I love that side of business. The day-to-day running of businesses, I think I'm decent at, but it's not like my favorite thing. I love like the parachute in. Let's see a lay of the land. Like this looks a little rusty over here. Maybe we could optimize that. It's my favorite part. That's kind of how I think about the quote unquote machine side of it.
So last